Hello, this is Collins Lane Solutions. If you are not trading cryptocurrency yet, you are really missing a lot. Cryptocurrency is where most people have acquired much wealth within short period of time in of recent time. So in this trading course, you'll be taught how you can get the required skills for you to know how to go about trading the right coins to buy, when to sell, so that you make some profits, and you could be making good profits daily, weekly, monthly, as the case may be. You'll be taught how to navigate through various exchanges, how to search for coins, how to make use of different platforms. This course will walk you through from beginner to pro trader, and you'll be happy you've taken this decision to be one of those trading cryptocurrency. So this is one course you're gonna learn so much. So this is one of the exchange where cryptocurrency is being traded, and so many other places. This is, as you can see, this is my wallet. These are some of the coins I'm currently holding, and is being covered because of privacy reasons. These are some of the coins. These are the units that I have there, and so many other exchange where you'll be taught how to make use of them, and you become a pro trader, how to do analysis, and so on. So if you have not gained access, gain access right now before this opportunity goes away. So catch you on the other side. Yeah, hello, this is Collins Lane Solutions. I want to show us how to use the blockchain.com wallet. So blockchain.com wallet is one of the wallet I have been using right from time since I've been doing cryptocurrency. So it's one trusted wallet that has really been good right from time, and is a wallet where you have full control of your wallet. It's not an exchange. So in this case, you have your own passphrase, which you can only use to retrieve your wallet back on any Bitcoin network in the blockchain technology. So when you come to blockchain.com, then if you don't have account before, you can sign up to put in your details here. You put your email address, then you put a strong password combination of alphanumerics, then accept the terms and create your wallet. Then you log in. So when you log in, you'll be able to access your wallet. So when you are in your wallet, most times once you create accounts, an email will be sent to you. Then you have to verify your email. Then once you verify your email, you now be able to log into your wallet. So when you verify your email, that helps you to make sure your wallet have a double security, meaning sometimes when you want to log in, you have to send message to your email first to be sure that yes, you are the right owner of the wallet. So once they send you message, then you have to come here to click on authorize. Once you click on authorize, then it will tell you login approved. In some cases, they will ask you to go back to where you wanted to log in before. Then once you wait there for some seconds, then the wallet will be open. So in the mobile app is a bit different also, but it's kind of related the way it operates. So there will be another video for the mobile app. So once you come to your wallet, then you have the various coins that are listed in the wallet. So right now it used to be only Bitcoin, then later Ethereum came in, then before Bitcoin Cash, then there is USD Pass right now, and also there is also Lume right now. So once you want to trade or you want to do any transaction, you can always come here to do any transaction. So let's say I go back to dashboard, then dashboard will be showing everything that is in the wallet. So you can see this is the lumen, then this is Bitcoin. Most times I do my once I one Bitcoin enters my wallet, I convert to fiat, doing the buying and selling on the peer-to-peer trading. So that's why sometimes I don't have a BTC left here. It's either into the trading exchange or I convert to cash. Doing my I'm into transactions most of the time. So that's it. So now you are here. Let's say you want to deal on Bitcoin. Mostly, once you click on Bitcoin, then it will take you to where you can do transactions on Bitcoin. So if you want to send Bitcoin, you click here, then it will come up with the place where you have to put the details. So you can see once you copy somebody's address, then you paste here. It's advisable to always copy and paste address. You don't type so that you don't make mistake. This is a QR barcode, so that's if you want to scan somebody's barcode. So that's that. Then when doing transaction, you have to be sure you are on the right coin. So this is Bitcoin, so it remains on Bitcoin. Whatever you want to send, it's either you put it in the dollar value or you put it in Bitcoin value. So whichever way it works. Let's say I want to send one Bitcoin right now. One Bitcoin presently is equivalent to 8,545 dollars. So if you wish to put in description of what you are sending, maybe you you can put it maybe to so person or so that you have a proper record of where your Bitcoin went to. Then this is the fee column. Then you can always adjust. If you want the transaction to confirm very fast, you choose priority, but that one will be higher fee, or you can use regular. And in some cases there are sometimes the fee might be too high, then you have to customize. Then you have to adjust to the nearest regular. Presently the regular here is 3, so it varies. Maybe when there is higher quantity of Bitcoin to transfer, the regular and priority might be higher. Then you can always adjust a bit back to maybe 2. So right now 2 is valid, 1. Okay, so that's as the case may be. Then once you've done that, then you can move to the next column, which is to transfer the Bitcoin. So once you've put in those details, then you click on continue, then it will take you the last place to confirm the sending process. So if you want to receive Bitcoin, you simply click here. Once you click there, then you'll be able to see your address which you are to copy, which is here. You can copy, then you can also create a shareable link. Then you can always generate new address. Maybe once, some cases the address changes on its own. Maybe once you have used the address to receive once or twice, it generates new address, but your old address will still be very useful. You can always use your old address to receive bitcoins no matter what, provided you still have access to the wallet. So that is that. Once you want to receive, then you can copy, then you copy here, click here, then it's copied, then you can paste it on email address or on WhatsApp or text, in any way you want to forward the message to somebody, or maybe create a shareable link. Then you can also share the link. So that's that. Then and mind you, once you create your account, an email that is sent to you, you always see your wallet ID at the bottom here. So mine is there. I don't want to reveal it, so that is there. So that's that. uh, that is a private address which you are not supposed to expose to anybody. You are not supposed to send that to anybody. You always send out the receiving address. That is the only thing you send out when you want to receive Bitcoin. So the one when you click on request, then you'll be able to see your address where you can copy and send to somebody. Then if you want to, maybe you have Bitcoins and you want to convert some to Ethereum to do some transaction, you can come to swap here, and the Bitcoin will be swapped to Ethereum for you, or to any of the coins here on fees. So you'll be charged some fees to do the conversion. Then once you put in your details of what you want to, let's say you want to convert, then depends on the quantity. Let's say you want to convert $50, then it will tell you the quantity of Ethereum it will give you. Then you complete the process, or you can select any of the coins as the case may be. So you can convert to anyone, or you from your from any of the coins here you convert to anyone, so it can be swapped to any direction. So that's that. Then once you must have created the account, you make sure your security, your settings are in place. Your wallet ID you copy and save properly somewhere safe. You can write it down, so that you can write it down in your private diary. You can copy, paste, and save in the documents, and so that you'll be protected. So that in case you forget it somewhere, or you don't have access to your email or wherever, whichever way, then you'll be able to access it. Then you it's always very important, you once you create your account, you copy and save your passphrase. Your passphrase are 12 words that are written out. So in the mobile version, it will be easier for me to show you where to get the passphrase. Is under settings, you normally get it. Once you click on this general, then you will be able to, if you have not saved your passphrase before, you'll be able to see them, and back up your wallet. Passphrase, also known as a numeric phrase. So it's good you have all those things in place. So I believe with this you'll be able to go through your wallets and stay safe trading your Bitcoin. So have a lovely day.